How to enable all chat in League of Legends. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To enable all chat in League of Legends, you can do so simply by typing or allowing all chat to broadcast during the gameplay. To do that, what you can do is while you are in the game, you can open up the options menu by pressing on the ESC option. That would be at the top right or the left corner. From there, click on it and navigate to the option of chat section. There you will find the option of show all chat or the match games option. You need to actually toggle on this button. To use the all chat, you can also hold down your shift, then press on return to start a new chat message as usual. Your text box will be automatically start with /all. Now, in the interface, what you can do is navigate to the option of chat and you need to toggle on show all chat or match games. After which you'll be able to allow all the chat in your League of Legends. Isn't it simple? If you wish to disable it, just tap on show a light chat. So this is how you enable all chat in League of Legends. Hopefully, this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.